Wow.
Yeah.
अपनी मर्जी से जाते अपनी मर्जी से आते. These are our friends from the farm.
Yeah.
Hey baby, how are you? And nobody knows when the predator is gonna attack this ship. A shepherd life is very harsh here, very hard. So yeah, hard life for shepherds. Restoring the whole traditions, you know, putting the farm back into life. The sun is going down, you know, they're having good time. I'm gonna find our mother. Hey baby, your mother is somewhere there. खर्चनाई के मैदान में आपका खुशामदीद मेरे दोस्तों. Oh my God! Now I can see the blue lake. Oh, some sheep there. Some of the boys are there. Two guys here. Wow, Urdu song playing at the background. Hey boys. No response from anyone. Alright guys, I just reached the last resort. Hey,
You know that?
my friend is here.
Assalamualaikum.
Last shepherd on earth.
What's up, bro?
Bro, कैसे हो?
Yeah.
ये मेरा friend है, last shepherd on the planet.
Yeah.
Yeah. ये ready हुआ?
It's here.
हाला इधर जूस भी होता है. जो ला जो.
Yeah.
लगा है भाई. मजा आया था. अपनी मर्जी से जाते अपनी मर्जी से आते हैं. जी दोस्तों, चलिए अभी इनके घर के अंदर चले जाते हैं and then we will see कि क्या सीन है इनका. ये इनका घर हो गया दोस्तों. इसी तरह ये बंद होता है दोस्तों, इसी तरह खुलता है इसी तरह बंद होता है. तो अभी इनके बीच में घुस चुका हूँ और ये मंजर है अंदर. अपने दोस्तों से भी मिलवाएंगे धीरे धीरे करके. फिलहाल अपने अवाम के केटल हाउस में, जहाँ पे तमाम हमारे दोस्त लोग शिप्स, रैम्स एंड ग्रॉट्स.
Whatever.
ओह, कैसे हो? तो बॉस कैसा है, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? मज़े वाला लाइफ गुजारते हो
Yes.
जो हमारा ड्रीम हुआ करता था.
Yes, sir.
और आप तो हमारे ड्रीम जो है, यू आर लिविंग आवर ड्रीम.
Yeah.
तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Nice.
मज़ा आ रहा है?
Yeah.
एक भाग गया. क्या सिस्टम है यार, अलग अलग करना होता है इनको. छोटे को अलग, बड़े को अलग लड़ते हैं ना. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था दूर से. Hey, my friends, the largest farmland high up in the mountains. This is left Karchinai, and now these guys are taking rest. This is how you start your sheep farm business in the mountains. So this is in the Khunjerab border, away from the Khunjerab border, a few miles away from there. If you're coming from T and you're gonna land up here. These are our friends from the farm. The sheep are all happy and enjoying their life here in the mountain. You can see they're fighting, they're reproducing, they're taking rest, and you know, they're enjoying their life here. It's a beautiful lamb. Yes, yes, I can hear you. And where are the goats? Yes, the goats are sleeping, and a few of the goats are onto that side. And you can see the sheep. A sheep with 4 horns. A strange creature. And this is a black one, black beauty. And this one, and this one, and that one. I'm gonna follow this one because this one is unique and strange. So let's go with the flow. Right. Oh my god, look at that one. So beautiful. The one sleeping on the back of the mother that jumps over the mother. Look at this guy holding a ship on his lap. Yeah, hey, baby, how are you? Beautiful. Oh, that's not a ship, that's a god. Baby of a god. Baby god.
Yeah.
Alright, you wanna fight?
Nice shot.
Oh my god, that guy's crazy. All on ship and goes from the back, from the fur and from the wool. Just dragging them around the ship farm and, you know, putting them in different houses. So, you know, the kids are protected and they not fight with each other. Because this land is full of predators, wild predators, and nobody knows when the predator is going to attack this ship. A shepherd life is very harsh here, very hard. So yeah, hard life for shepherds. That's it. Anyhow, it's a beautiful life. All right, this guys was the last shepherd on the planet, on this very Khunjerab mountain. We forgot about our sheep farming years ago, and now these guys are just reviving, you know, restoring the whole traditions, you know, putting the farm back into life, and that's awesome, you know, scary at the same time because of highly dangerous predators, snow leopards and brown bears, all the, you know, they're living in the mountains, they're scary. But these guys are not afraid of predators because these guys are themselves the wild predators. Some of the wild guys here. And yeah, this all for today, guys. And now that's the sleeping time. The sun is going down. And yeah, here two of the big guys are gone to Khunjerab. And these two guys are now with us, farm animals. So yeah, during the evening, during the night, these farm animals reproduce. You know, they're having good time together. All right. One of the baby is looking for our mother, and I'm gonna find our mother. Let's go find her mother. Hey, baby. Hey. Anybody? Anybody? All right, nobody hears him. All right, I can hear, baby. What you say? Your mother is somewhere there. Hey, this guy lost her mother. Hey, come on, dude, come on. Oh my God. Hey, found her mother? I think this is her mother. Now she's quiet. But they don't look similar. Maybe this is a different mother. Some of the lambs are looking for the mother, and some mothers are looking for their babies. Oh. Hey, Black Beauty, you find your mother? Hey, give me some space, babies. Hello. Come on, give me some space. All right. Someone giving me space. I'm looking for my kid.